It's a laboratory, so it should actually look like a laboratory, which means it creates a canvas for anybody to research anything around AI. And what you actually need for that is flexibility. This is why this building is such a flexible building with movable walls, with movable chairs. Everything is movable here because at the end it should be able to accommodate any kind of research around artificial intelligence. Students coming in and then we have events where other people come in. So we will have hackathons here, we will have other types of events here where anybody is actually welcome to come here. If you're interested in AI, this is a place to be where you can do research and play around with AI. I think with artificial intelligence, hardware is coming back to some degree. So we have seen a marginalization of hardware within the last 10 to 15 years where everything went into the cloud. Now, due to AI, a lot is coming back because you need very low latency. For example, a self-driving car needs low latency to analyze the pictures, and sometimes you have data security considerations, like if you have an MRI picture, you don't want to send it somewhere into the cloud to be analyzed, so you want it to be as local as possible. This, and there are some other drivers that drive hardware back to the equation, and we have our own hardware here too. We have a few computers with GPUs. GPUs are the mostly used processors as of now to do artificial intelligence. At some point we hope to get Google TPUs and other processors, but at the moment we are using the latest generation of NVIDIA GPUs with own hardware. What works for hardware right now is also that Moore's law is not working anymore for a couple of years already, which means that we do not get more transistors into a square inch as we used to at the same speed, but at the same time we got better in designing CPUs, which means that we can build much more ASICs, like application-specific integrated circuits. And this GPUs is just one example for it, but TPUs are another example, and Amazon launched their own AI chip, I think a week ago already. So we will see that kind of change in the hardware market, and as an AI lab we are committed to expose people in this lab to as much different possibilities as possible. And right now it's GPUs, and I'm sure if you ask me in a year we'll talk about TPUs and others.